Hey guys, welcome back. Seriously, it's really good to have you here again with us at ninza.co. So today, we're back with another live trading session using DeepStack Confluence. And this one is actually a little bit special because it's based on a lot of your feedback, your comments, and honestly, your support. A lot of you asked if we could show more trading on minute charts. So that's exactly what we're doing today. We're running this session on the 1-minute chart so you can see how the strategy behaves in a different environment. Now, before we jump in, there are a couple of things I just want to share with you, just to keep everything transparent. First, I do trade on minute charts regularly, but the reality is, on a minute chart, you usually get fewer trades and things move a bit slower. So sometimes it's harder to really show the full picture of how a strategy performs, especially in a single video. That's honestly one of the main reasons why I often use Renko charts. Not because it's better, not because it's magic, but simply because it fits me. I feel more in control, I can read the market more clearly, and it allows me to show you more signals in a shorter amount of time, especially when I want to demonstrate performance in real time. Second, and this is really important, everything you're about to see here is 100% live. No playback, no edits, no cutting, no cherry picking. Every trade is taken exactly as it happens, in real time. And yeah, you might notice we're using a SIM account. The reason is pretty simple. In our country, trading on NinjaTrader with a live account, especially when it comes to withdrawals, can be complicated from a legal standpoint. So we use SIM for execution, but I want to be very clear. The data itself is completely real-time. The market you're seeing is the real market. And beyond that, we do have partners who are trading this on real accounts, and they've been getting really solid results. If you're curious, you can check out those videos as well. But more than anything, I just want to say this. We genuinely appreciate you guys. Every comment, every like, every bit of feedback, we read it, we take it seriously, and it really does shape what we build next. We're not here just to show trades. We're here to build something that actually helps you, something you can understand, trust, and maybe even use in your own trading. So yeah, thank you for being here. It really means a lot. All right, let's get into the session. And hey, if you have any requests, ideas, or even feedback, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. I really do read them, and they help shape what we create next. And if you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to leave a like. It honestly means a lot and helps us keep doing more of this. In this session, we were able to generate over $5,000 in profit in just a little over 3 trades, which is pretty incredible to see unfold in real time. And as always, at the end of the video, we'll show you the exact settings used with DeepStack Confluence, so you can go through everything step by step if you want to try it out yourself. Appreciate you being here. Let's keep going. In this first buy trade, what I noticed in real time was that price had already broken out of the previous sideways range. So at that point, there's really no need to overthink it or feel nervous. We can stay confident and simply let the trade play out. Because once price moves out of consolidation like that, it usually means momentum is starting to build. And that's exactly what we want to be in. Next, right here, we can see that the trend confluence has come to an end. At the same time, price also breaks below the previous bullish trend line, which gives us an additional layer of confirmation. So at this point, we quickly execute a sell trade, taking advantage of the moment when the bullish confluence breaks down. But here's an important note. You don't want to jump in immediately just because the signal appears. It's always better to wait for extra confirmation from other factors. In this case, I use the break of the bullish trend line as that confirmation, which makes the entry much more reliable. Then, as the bearish confluence continues to hold, we get another confirmation of the downtrend. And this gives us a second opportunity to step in with another sell trade. So instead of chasing the first move, we're simply following the structure and taking advantage of the trend as it continues to develop. and here are the full settings we used with DeepStack Confluence. For the inputs, we're only using Easy Trend and SMMA Pro, the same two indicators we've talked about in many of our previous videos. And importantly, we didn't change anything here. We kept the setup consistent so you can clearly see how the strategy performs without constantly tweaking inputs. In this case, both Easy Trend and SMMA Pro need to reach trend confluence on the 2-minute and 3-minute timeframes before we take any trades. And that's it. Simple, right? Hopefully you guys like this setup, and more importantly, understand how it works. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Join the NINZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.